students, I welcome you all to the online class of General Knowledge, and I hope that you all have given your quarterly exams well. Children, in the previous video, we have read about Indian traditional dresses, and by reading that topic, we have come to know about the different traditional dresses of different states of India. And today we will read topic number 11, and the name of the topic is Indian Classical Dances. That is given on page number 15. So take your books in your hands and open page number 15 in your book. Alright students, now I am going to read the topic and you all have to look into your book carefully. So let's start. Different states of India have distinctive dance forms. Students, as you can see that on this board, I have written the names of various dance forms. Students, distinctive means various. Distinctive means various. So we can say that in our country, India, different states have different dance forms. Okay? Look at the given pictures of dance forms closely and identify the states they belong to. Children, as you can see that the pictures of 5 different dance forms have been given here. And the names of these dance forms are also written below the pictures. And what we have to do? We have to write the state's name these dance forms belong to. Okay? And we can take the help of these dance forms, the names of these dance forms, and then we will write the state's name. Okay, children? So for that, I will show you the pictures of these dance forms closely, and then we will write the state's name these dance forms belong to. So take your pencil and eraser in your hands and we will start doing the exercise. The first dance form is Kuchipudi and it belongs to the state Andhra Pradesh. The spelling of Andhra Pradesh is A-N-D-H-R-A. Andhra Pradesh. P-R-A-D-E-S-H. Andhra Pradesh. Now we will move to the second picture. This dance form is called Bharatnatyam and it belongs to Tamil Nadu. Spelling of Tamil Nadu is T-A-M-I-L, Tamil, N-A-D-U, Tamil Nadu. Alright, now we have come to the third picture, and in this picture, the dance form given is called Satriya and it belongs to the state Assam. Spelling of the word Assam is A-S-S-A-M, Assam. Alright students, now we have come to the fourth picture and this dance form is called Manipuri. Okay, what is it called? Manipuri, and it belongs to the state Manipur. Spelling of the word Manipur is M-A-N-I-P-U-R. This is the last dance form under this topic, and this dance form is called Kathakali. Alright, what is it called, students? Kathakali, and it belongs to Kerala. Spelling of Kerala is K-E-R-A-L-A. A. Kerala. Alright students, as we have completed the exercise, so now once we will revise it. Okay? Students, the first dance form given in this topic is Kuchipudi dance form. And Kuchipudi dance form belongs to the state Andhra Pradesh. Children, here I would also like to give you some additional information about these dance forms. So, firstly we will start up from Kuchipudi. Okay? Kuchipudi dance form belongs to Andhra Pradesh, and children, this dance form is named after a village, Kuchipudi. Okay? And this village is in Andhra Pradesh. Alright. Now we will move to the next dance form, that is Bharatnatyam. And Bharatnatyam dance form belongs to Tamil Nadu. Alright. Children, Bharatnatyam dance form was earlier known as Sadir Attam. Means भरतनाट्यम डांस को पहले सादिर अट्टम के नाम से भी जाना जाता था, and it is the oldest dance form of Indian classical dances. Alright, now we will come to the next dance form, that is Satriya. And Satriya dance form belongs to the state Assam. Satriya dance form कौन से स्टेट से बिलोंग करता है स्टूडेंट्स? यस, आसाम. एंड चिल्ड्रेन, दिस डांस फॉर्म वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन 15th century by a great Vaishnav saint, and the name of that saint is Shankara Deva. Okay, now we will come to the next dance form, that is Manipuri. And Manipuri dance form belongs to, tell me children, which state? Manipuri dance form कौन से state से belong करता है? Yes, it belongs to the state Manipur. Good. And children, Manipuri dance form is also called Jagoi. Manipuri dance को Jagoi के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, and it is named after a region, Manipur. Okay? Now we will come to the next and the last dance form given under this topic, Indian classical dances, and this dance form is called Kathakali. And Kathakali dance form belongs to Kerala. Yes children, Kathakali dance form belongs to Kerala, and it is one of the major dance form of Indian classical dances. And when the performers or the dancers, they do Kathakali, they wear a mask on their face, and they also do colorful makeup, okay, while giving their performance. And in this dance form, student, a story is played through dance by the performers. Alright, so here we have completed our topic, Indian classical dances, and in the next video, students, we will read the topic, famous hill stations of India. Alright, children, you all love to visit different places, and so in the next topic, when we will read famous hill stations of India, then you will like it a lot. But this is your homework for today, that you will revise and learn this topic. You have to revise the names of all the dance form given here and the names of the states these dance forms belong to. Alright children, so do take care of yourselves and do your homework. Thank you.